Hello everyone, this is Zach from Metaverse Make, and today I'll be showing you how to install the texture grips on your Oculus Quest 2 controllers. It's fairly simple. Locate the battery door on the controller, and it slides downwards. Locate the original straps, and all you have to do is pick up on the bottom, pull up, and remove those. Then find your package. It has the new texture grips in it. So you want to locate the bottom part. It looks like this. It's got a long string on it, so you can tie it around your wrist, and a little knot on the end. You want to place it in where the original straps were, but you want to make sure you get the orientation correct, because based on if you flip it this way or this way, it turns your Velcro in or out. So we're going to look at it for a second to make sure we're doing it right. We believe it goes this way. We may have to adjust it once we get it together. So find your battery cover, slide it back on. Let me see if it's correct. It looks correct. Usually you want your Velcro going this way, Velcro on the top. Now locate the top part. It is pretty much a long piece of Velcro with a rubber ring around it. What you want to do is put your rubber ring on this side. Your Velcro should be facing up. Loop it in, press to push the Velcro inside the rubber ring. And it may start getting tight, so you want to place the Velcro around the center ring where you want it. You can adjust this. It might be more comfortable depending on your hand size, moving it a little bit forward, back, or however. You want to keep pulling, and keep pulling slowly until the rubber ring is touching itself. See? And you, like I said earlier, you can move it to its in the correct orientation or the correct spot on the controller. Once you get that, you're pretty much almost done. You just need to pull your Velcro up and hook the top Velcro over. Well, sorry guys. There we go. And there we go.